Hi, welcome to this tutorial today. What I'm going to show you how to do is I'm going to show you how to optimize Nanite foliage, or really anything with Nanite that does world position offset. Just keep in note, to use world position offset with Nanite, I believe you need to have engine 5.1 or newer. But with that said, let's go ahead and get into it. So as you can see, all this Nanite, I've got, each tree is like a billion polygons. So if we look at the Nanite here, we can see we've got a lot of Nanite going on. And if we go for high, we can see it moving. So, and the closer we get to it, the more it's going to drop performance. Up here, I have about 12, 20 FPS, roughly. So what I'm going to show you how to do is a trick that will automatically optimize this. So what you want to do is you want to go to your foliage or the foliage asset. So I'm using the foliage tool for the tree and then grass maps for the grass. If you want to know grass maps, watch my video from yesterday. Okay, so we'll go down to the foliage and click on it. And if we scroll down under instant settings, okay, if we scroll down to instant settings and we go to, where is it? World position, let me see if I can, world position offset disable distance, and we set this to like 1,000, it should, yeah, so now we're getting about 10 more FPS. And what this does is, based on the distance, I'm going to do a little bit higher here, but based on the distance to the camera, it will disable the world position offset. Nanite has some trouble with world position offset, so just keep that in mind. Looks like for this we could do like 3,500. And remember, this is like a billion polygons. You're probably not going to have this many. But yeah, that looks good. We'll go in here, we'll enable game mode, and it looks like we got about 10 extra FPS. Now we can also do this with the grass. So if we go to the grass map here, and we do, let's say 50, just so we can see it happening. So now we've got another 10 FPS and the grass disabled. But if I get close to the grass, it'll start doing it. Let me enable this a little bit more. Let me do 1,200. And this will probably be around the player. So there we go. So we have grass and it disables the further we go away. So yeah, this is a Nanite foliage trick. If you're having performance issues with foliage, try this out. Should help. Have a good one.